Hi, good day. My name is Dennis. I'm the product manager of Energy Chain System supporting ASEAN. I'm going to introduce to you today our TRX system, which is a new addition to our robotics family. As you can see here, with this new TRX or TRE extension, we have the ability of our system being extended 36% longer in length. At the same time, it has all the three unique features of a triflex R system. And with that system itself, now if you compare this system with our conventional RSP system, it's actually lighter in weight by 86%, which is good for your application. At this moment, we have only size 60, but the rest of the size will be on development. For more information of this TRX system, please call our local representative. Thank you.